Hi guys, welcome back to Crayon Marker Paint Art. Today we have a guest, my brother, and his name is Chase. So today we're making a, drum roll please, a snow globe. It's my brother's, and he put a little turtle figure in. For some reason, the water turned pink, even though he told me he did not put food coloring. Let's go over the steps. Step 1. Get some kind of little figures that you want to stick into it. Then use waterproof super glue. Stick it in, and then, let it dry. Then you take some water, pour it in the jar. Take some whatever color glitter you want, pour it in. Then you take the lid, put it on. Then put super glue here, around, like in here, before you put it on. Then wait for it to dry. Then you can play with it. We're back, and I got my water to pour. You should use a paper towel because it might spill, like it's spilling out of the bottom right now. Oh my god, I know this was gonna happen. So there's a big spill now onto the paper towel. The table's a little bit wet, but that's fine. We need to take this water away, and then take this and wipe it here. Fold it up and wipe it with the dry side. Alright, can you throw this in? If you use a mason jar, you don't have to super glue the cap. So you need to sprinkle as much as you can in there. This is going to take a while because I have like this teeny pouring holes. So yeah. Alright. I'm pretty sure that's enough glitter. And also, if you use a certain color glitter, that might turn the water that color. Now, wow, it's actually looking like there's a lot of blue. Now let's try putting some more of... And now you could use a parent's help to super glue the cap on. So now we're gonna put the cap on. If you'd like, you could super glue it so it never opens again. If you want to know what the scene is in mine, it's like kind of this elephant and koala rolling a snowball in the snow. That's why I put blue and the other color. I totally forgot